What if every inspection, check, and audit on your factory floor could be tracked, recorded, and reported automatically? And what if your SOPs could explain the reasons why behind every step, without you having to write them yourself? In this update, I'm going to walk you through everything we've shipped in July, including checklist SOPs, a full app refresh, AI-generated reasons why, and a sneak preview of something we're really excited about. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's new, how to use it, and what's coming next. Let's get into it. First up, we've introduced checklist SOPs. This is a fantastic feature if you have regular checks, inspections, or any repeatable process that needs to happen in your factory. You can now turn any SOP into a checklist SOP. On mobile, simply go to SOP Track Audit. You can add a batch number, serial number, or operator name if the person completing the check isn't the person logged into the app. Then you just hit Start. Within the checklist, you can add mandatory pass-fail steps, comments, images, and can capture variable data through a range of different input types. The aim is simple: to answer, did you comply with the SOP and did it pass or fail? You can then share the completed audit in a number of different ways. To create a checklist SOP, simply go into edit mode on any SOP and select checklist SOP. From there, you can add checklist points using different form fields, including numbers, drop-downs, checkboxes, text, photos, pass-fail fields, and more. You can also set reminders and tracking. Under Advanced Options, select Track Task, choose your frequency, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or whatever suits your process, set due reminders, and choose who receives notifications. You can also enable failure notifications and use our red-green visual management cards for tracking tasks on the factory floor to make things really visual. All tracked tasks are stored in your audit history, which can be accessed through the web application and exported for reporting. Next up, we've given GembaDocs a completely new paint job. We've gone through every screen and every pixel in the application to make it feel more modern, cleaner, and easier to use. We've been careful not to change things unnecessarily. The goal was to improve the user experience. And one of the biggest changes is the SOP menu. We've completely reconfigured the layout to make it much simpler to navigate. We've also improved the structure within Advanced Options, making the powerful functionality available at SOP level much more clear. Next, we've made a major improvement to Advanced SOPs. One thing I've always found challenging is clearly explaining the reasons why behind each step. Now you can simply add your key points, even if they're quite basic, along with your process images, and GembaDocs will generate the reasons why for you using AI. The AI looks at both the text and the images you've uploaded to create the best possible explanation. And obviously, the more detail you provide, the better generated the reasons why will be. This makes creating and maintaining advanced SOPs much faster and easier. Next, we've added some improvements to our Chrome extension. You can now remove the voice from your video SOPs, giving you more control over your final output. We've also added the ability to regenerate the steps created from your video. You can choose whether you want more steps or fewer steps generated from your video SOP, giving you more flexibility over how your process is documented. We've also made a huge number of engineering improvements behind the scenes. We've worked on improving performance and speed, and we hope that you notice the difference. We've also added Irish as our newest supported language. As an Irishman, I'm particularly happy about this one. We had a government agency in Ireland that needed Irish language support, so it's great to add another language to our growing portfolio. And finally, we're working on something really exciting: our new QMS Quality Management System module. This will allow you to manage your high-level governance documents directly inside GembaDocs. You'll be able to generate documents using a wizard or upload your existing documents into a controlled environment with document control and revision control. We're also adding some really powerful features including AI-generated flowcharts, internal audit management, and corrective action tracking. The goal is to help organizations manage compliance systems such as ISO 9000, AS 9100, and other regulated quality frameworks. We already have several beta customers lined up, but we have limited spaces available. If you'd like to join the beta program, contact us at support@GembaDocs.com. We're accepting the next 5 beta customers who reach out, and it's strictly first come, first served. So don't wait out on this one. So that's July. Checklist SOPs to make your inspections trackable and reportable. A full app refresh that makes GembaDocs cleaner and easier to use. AI-generated reasons why to speed up your advanced SOPs. Chrome extension improvements for more control over your video documentation. And a QMS module on the way that will bring your entire compliance system into one place. As always, thank you so much for your support. We genuinely love our client base and really appreciate every one of our customers and friends here at GembaDocs. See you next month.